The four-door hatchback Audi S5 Sportback combines the comfort and convenience of the S4 sedan with the sleek looks of the S5 coupe. The S5 Sportback is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with 354 horsepower and a heady 369 pounds-to-foot of torque. A smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, and it works with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system to accelerate the Sportback with appropriate haste. In spite of its strong performance, the S5 Sportback is missing that special something that earns a car a spot in the sports sedan Hall of Fame and in the hearts of enthusiasts. Its steering feel is distant, its chassis aloof. The Sportback benefits from the added versatility of its hatchback body and 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind its back seat. Practicality never looked so good, if only there were an equal amount of driver engagement. The S5 Sportback is all new for 2018, offering a hatchback body style for extra versatility. Based on the mechanical package of the S5 Coupe and Convertible, the four-door Sportback sits on a longer wheelbase than its two-door counterparts and casts a shadow 2.4 inches greater. Power comes courtesy of Audi's latest forced induction V6 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The turbocharged 3.0-liter produces 354 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot of torque, 21 horses and 44 pounds-to-foot of twist more than the supercharged V6 that powered the previous generation S5 Coupe and Convertible.